Yeah, so look, I've really enjoyed working with Swanky. I wouldn't be here recording this for them if I hadn't. Look, when we chose to go with Shopify Plus, we had another tough decision. Which development agency do we go with? We spoke with a bunch of them. What I really liked about Swanky was their commercial approach. It wasn't just about launching a website that looked nice. It was about having an e-commerce website that could scale. Look, Innermost, I think we've got amazing products. We've got an amazing brand identity, a visual identity, which really resonates with customers, and all of that is super important. But also, it's important to have an e-commerce platform that allows you to scale and a technology stack that supports that. Working with Swanky has enabled us to have that. It's given us a lot of confidence in the e-commerce platform and allows us to feel more confident about focusing our time on other areas which will help propel our business forward. We're already having conversations with Swanky about stage 2, stage 3 and stage 4 of the website, where we need to take it in order to scale the business to where we want to be. And those conversations are ongoing, so we're looking to have a very long relationship with Swanky.